wind out here is no joke. It was so powerful it damaged the roof of this middle school here in Keansburg, and tonight crews are still working to see when it will be safe enough for students to come back. Peak wind gusts hitting 69 miles per hour here in Keansburg, with 60-mile-per-hour gusts consistent from about noon until 4:30. Right in the middle of that, around 2 o'clock, Weld Central Middle School parents got an alert that students and staff were being evacuated because of building safety concerns tied to the high winds. The school district says those gusts damaged the roof on the north end of the school's gym. They know there's cracking along the roof line and said nothing actually came off the building, but at this point, they're still working to figure out how extensive that damage really is. More importantly, no one was hurt. As a precaution, students were moved just a few feet away to Weld Central High School, which shares the same campus, and then dismissed from there. These same winds are what led Xcel Energy to preemptively shut off power across parts of northern Colorado. According to Xcel's outage map, many customers in Weld and Larimer County are still without power tonight. Some from the planned public safety shutoffs, others from wind-related damage outside of those areas. In a statement, Xcel says most customers should see power restored by Friday night, and for those who don't, restoration could extend into Saturday as crews continue inspections and repairs once conditions are safe. According to the CDOT weather station down here, winds are expected to stay around 20 to 30 miles per hour tonight into tomorrow. Xcel did say that 4,000 customers have power back as of 6:30 p.m., but around 7,000 customers are still without power tonight. Xcel is asking customers to report outages or damaged lines to help them speed up that restoration process. Reporting in Keansburg, Ria Cha, 9 News.